Hello there, fellow leaders in the making. Do you feel anxious while giving speeches or presentations? Do you find it hard to organize your thoughts under pressure? Do you wish to amplify your self-confidence to such a level that you feel tremendously fearless every day and are able to live a life of true limitlessness? If the answer was yes to any of those questions, stick around till the end of this video so that you understand how Toastmasters can help you live that life of true limitlessness that you really deserve. My name is Abhishek Hemraj and I am a member of Geetham Toastmasters Club. So what is Toastmasters? Toastmasters International is a 96 years old non-profit organization that offers world-class leadership and public speaking education. To help you gain more understanding and clarity about this platform and how it can accelerate your professional development, how it can make you that dynamic leader and a public speaker, we now have some of the members of Geetham Toastmasters Club answer a few questions for you. So let's hear what they have to say, and I will see you near the end of this video.
Hi, our regular club meetings and education curriculum have been proven to be highly effective in helping our participants get comfortable on the stage. So they contribute in a huge way in our development. Toastmasters get to take up leadership roles at the club level and beyond. This gives us hands-on learning experience which enhances our leadership skills, problem-solving skills and people skills. We also have leadership training sessions, conferences and contests. Finally, every Toastmaster is assigned with a mentor who is experienced in the fields of leadership, public speaking and communication. For example, my mentor has been a Toastmaster since years and she guides me in all aspects of my journey of self-improvement. So to summarize, Toastmasters is able to empower people so effectively with its leadership opportunities, education curriculum, club meetings, mentorship, contests, training programs, and many more.
The whole format of a general Toastmasters meeting is divided into three main segments. First, the prepared speeches. A major portion of a meeting is centered around 2 to 3 speakers who prepare and give their speech based on speech projects designed according to their chosen skill in Toastmasters Communication and Leadership Program manuals, also under the mentorship of an experienced Toastmaster, ensuring wholesome communication learning and public speaking development. Second, the table topics. Toastmaster has a tradition of encouraging and boosting confidence of every member to speak in a meeting apart from scheduled program participants. Purpose of which is to have their members think on their feet and present 1 to 2 minute impromptu talks on various interesting and fun topics. Third, the evaluation. Each prepared speech is elaborately and constructively evaluated in oral and in written by an expert fellow Toastmaster and other club members on various parameters. The general evaluator in the meeting examines and evaluates everything and anything in the meeting and also has a team that includes timer for keeping track of time in various sessions of the meeting, grammarian to check and help the speakers with grammar, vocabulary and good language, and the counter who makes the note of the filler or the crutch words used by the speakers during the course of the meeting. The entire evaluation process gives praise, encouragement, suggestions and feedback for future improvement. It also enhances club learning experience and an individual self-growth.
Everyone, my name is Varshita. The present situation has turned out to be a blessing in disguise of Toastmasters and guests, because we now get to attend Toastmaster meetings all around the world, and there are more than 16,000 clubs, which means the opportunities available for network building, international exposure, and personality development are absolutely endless. Also, online meetings are a great place to start if we wish to get over stage fear. It is because of the online meetings that we have a lot of Toastmasters of other cities and clubs attending our club meetings to empower our members with their brilliant speech evaluations and mentoring.
The people we surround ourselves with plays a tremendous role in shaping our personality. I'm sure you all will agree to this. More than anything, Toastmasters give you the opportunity to surround yourself with competent, successful, and positive people who can shape your personality. And this inspires us consistently to keep bettering ourselves. And by observing them, we also tend to absorb their virtue subconsciously. And since a lot of Toastmasters are from corporate world, this becomes even more promising. And who knows, you may secure your next job interview, or you may meet your next business partner through the network you build in Toastmasters.
Hi. Toastmasters is renowned for being a promising platform for networking and career growth. With a lot of Toastmasters hailing from corporate world, it gives us an amazing opportunity to build a network and open the doors for rewarding and exciting career opportunities. Every achievement in Toastmasters is recognized with a certificate from Toastmasters International. And since Toastmasters has this global reputation, it is sure it will add a huge value to your resume and help you to gain an edge over your competitors. It also conducts leadership training programs and conferences with some top-notch leaders and trainers. With the world-class training programs, the networking opportunities, and certificate from Toastmasters, we can accelerate our career like never before.
Hello once again. Remember, we truly deserve to live that limitless life, fueled with a great amount of self-confidence and belief in ourselves. A life that is truly exciting and enjoyable. Thousands of people all around the world are living such a life through Toastmasters, which means that you can do too. A wise man once said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Your journey of leadership learning awaits you at Toastmasters. So take that first step into this journey by attending our upcoming club meetings. Because this journey is a sure way to live that life of limitlessness which you truly deserve. And get in touch with us because we at Geetham Toastmasters Club would love to hear from you.